Remove and clean restroom vent covers whenever visible dust buildup or airflow reduction is present. For deep cleaning, restroom vent covers and air ducts start by inspecting vents monthly for dust, lint, or discoloration that signals microbial growth. Turn off the ventilation system and, if possible, cut power at the breaker to prevent the fan from starting while you work. Use a screwdriver to remove screws and carefully extract the cover, watching for accumulated debris that can fall into the grill. Work over a trash bag to contain mess. Vacuum the exposed duct opening with a high-efficiency particulate aerated nozzle or a brush attachment to pull out loose dust as far as reachable without forcing debris deeper into the system. Wash the vent cover in warm water with a mild detergent and a small amount of disinfectant. Scrub with a soft brush to remove biofilm or grime. Rinse thoroughly and let it air dry completely before reinstallation. When reattaching, seal the perimeter with a thin bead of caulk if gaps are present, and restore power only after confirming the fan and controls function normally. For commercial systems or where mold, rodent droppings, or heavy blockage are found, arrange professional duct cleaning to avoid spreading contaminants. Common mistakes include waiting until vents are visibly dirty, which allows dust to migrate into the ductwork and degrade indoor air quality. Fix this by adding vent checks to a routine cleaning checklist and cleaning covers at least every 3 months or more often in high-traffic facilities. Another issue is using abrasive cleaners or wire brushes that damage paint and metal and leave rough surfaces that trap grime. Instead, use soft brushes, non-abrasive detergents, and an appropriate disinfectant and rinse thoroughly. A third concern is pushing dust deeper into ducts by aggressive vacuuming or blowing air into the register. Avoid this by vacuuming gently, using brush attachments and stopping if debris moves deeper. Then schedule professional service for internal duct cleaning. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work through our platform. We also host an active discussion community where members share experiences, recommendations, and practical tips on projects like deep cleaning vents.